Oh yeah, baby, come on! Oh, 300. Oh, that's awesome. I like catching. Doggy!
Welcome to the Chew on This Saltwater Fishing Show. Fishing television with intensity.
Kyle and Ben, chew on this.
Hey, hold on. Keep the weight down. I can feel it. I gotta move up. Look.
Lift the rod up, lift the rod up. He's coming up.
That's how you do it, G-Money!
Boys!
Yeah! Coming to fight! Yeah! Me too! Die! 300-pound Goliath Grouper. 300. Come on, Jim, get it, baby! There you go! Get it, Jim! Get it, baby! All right, that's a start. Got him. I know. He's heading that way. Get him, Jim! All right, we got to tag it, Tom. Look at that, look, oh my goodness! Oh my word! Come on! Oh yeah, baby, come on! Come on, stop it! Yeah! Awesome! Yeah, baby! Come on, bring it on! Come on! Turn that thing! Come on! Oh, this is crazy! Oh my goodness! Come on, baby! Come on now! Come on! Oh, come on! Oh my goodness! Hey, you guys, real time, and I'm giving it all back! Come on now! Oh my goodness. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Stop it, stop it, stop. Don't get in there. Don't get in there. Stay out there. Stay out there, baby. Stay out there. Stay out there. Stay out there. No. 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 You guys, it's pulling us in the pilings. It's pulling the anchor. It's pulling the anchor off. Oh my goodness. No, stop. Stop it. Please don't go anywhere. Oh my goodness. Okay. They want me to get out the way. You guys see me go skiing? Slip right down the boat. He's pulling. Look at me lifting me up. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, we're getting in trouble. We're getting in trouble. No, no, don't break. Don't break. Don't break. No, no. Don't stay off. Stay off. Stay off. Stay off. Stay off. Come on now. Oh, that hurt. Doggy! Are you done? Are you done? Come on. Come on. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it up. Come on now. Come on, hold it up. Come on. Oh my goodness. You guys, I'm almost done. Completely. I still think I can do it though. Oh my goodness. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on. Come on, Pops. Come on, Pops. Get back here for me. Get back here for me. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. No. Come on. Come on. Get back here. You guys, I'm holding that whole fish by my hand. He's trying to get us on the pilings. He's killing me. Oh my goodness. He's right there, you guys. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, look at that fish. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Oh my God. Thank you, Steve. Can you see that? You see what he did to me? Oh. Hey, all you professional athletes out there, I got a Goliath challenge for you. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Crazy fishing. I told you we're going to work. My shoes are all broke. Look at my feet. They came out of my shoes. No, keep your head up. Did you guys see that? Yeah, I'm gonna try to get him. I'm gonna try to grab him. Oh, stay upside down for me. I'm completely fatigued. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. Come on, stay there, baby. All right, you guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm so tired. I don't even know how to grab the fish. You gotta give me a moment. Oh my goodness. I don't think my boga grip's gonna fit. Come here, baby. Give me just a little piece of you there. A little piece of that jaw. You ain't gonna give me that top jaw, are you? Bottom jaw? Some? No. I know, you can rip me out. I know, baby boy. Monster, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call you baby boy. You guys, I ain't bringing her in. She's too big. Too big. Oh, she almost pulled me over. Oh my goodness. You guys, I don't know if the show can get any better than this. I don't know if I can take another fish like this, but I'm gonna try to keep on putting them on for you. This is my biggest ever. Gotta be 500 pounds, maybe more. I mean, look at it, you guys. That thing just blasted me. Thank you, Jesus, thank you. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Chew on This Saltwater Fishing Show. I told you we're going to work today, and we went to work big time. This is about the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. More stressful than just about anything I've ever done physically. It is amazing. So guys, like I always say, when you see that big fish, whether you're throwing an artificial or a big live bait like that jack we threw, you tell these big boys to chew on this. Godspeed, and I'll see you next week. Come on, baby. Look at it. God,
that's a big.
Oh.
Let's circle back. Stingray Berkeley Gulf. That's the size I want right there.
That's a good starter.
This perfect size I like right here.
Like
Not too big, not too small.
Oh, that's a big fish.
It gets the blood pumping.
Oh, that's right there, boy, I tell you.
This is why I come out here. I just like looking at them.
Oh, that's awesome.
I like catching them too.
Yeah, but seeing them,
It's neat, yeah.
you know, we don't have lions and tigers and
Yeah,
stuff like that.
that is our lions and tigers.
That's our lion and tiger right there. Turn, baby, turn.
Turn, here he comes.
He's gonna eat it.
He's gonna eat it.
Eat it. Oh, look at that huge hammerhead.
He's got it.
Oh, you guys, check that out, baby.
He's on top.
He's on top. Oh my goodness, that way. Surfing. There he is, baby.
If you want, you grab that leader.
I felt some strength. I let go of that strength, baby.
Here, you might be able to grab him.
Bring that boy back here.
Go there and grab. You surface it, you get him now, you get a good picture. There you go. We had a flying gaff to be able to get him. Pull him up.
Chew on this, big guy. Come on. Move this right. Come on, Nelson. We got 200-pound test leader as our main line and 400-pound test actual leader. Look at that fish down there, you guys. Look at it. Oh, it's a monster! Oh, boy! Oh, my goodness! Oh, come on, babe! Hold on to it! Hold on to it! Oh, you got it, babe! Ah, come on, Nelson! Oh, my word! Okay, you ready? You know, it's just like the anticipation on you really don't have any idea what they're feeding for you down there.
Yep, and
you know, you're counting on Jody to just put a pig in it, you know?
Yeah, exactly. You know, when I was a little kid, I used to watch shows and see them catch fish like this. Not this size, but smaller fish. I'd always be like, man,
back up a little.
Don't do that.
Back up.
I have no idea.
Come on, bro. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go for it. 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 Oh, he lost. He lost. Help him, help him, help him, help him. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, Adrian. Come on, Adrian. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on. Come on, let me get the boat. You got it. Come on, pull, 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 pull. Pull, pull, pull. We got Bo. Come on, pull me back in. Pull me back up. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, finish up, finish up. Come on, come on. I got it. Come on, come on, baby, let's go. Come on, let's get it, let's get it. He's got me in the room. He's got his hand? Woo, baby, good job getting back in. Oh my goodness.
Watch your hand, watch your hand. All right, bring it back. There you go.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no.
What?
Oh, no, no, no.
What?
Oh, no, no.
Here we go. Y'all ready?
That's the big one?
You guys ready? Here he comes. He's gonna eat it right now. He's about to get it. Is that the one you want, Bill?
No, he's not big enough.
Oh, okay. Really?
Yeah. How many pounds is that? About 250.
How about the one right here? What about that one, Bill?
I can't see. Big.
That one right there, about to touch. That one there? Yeah.
Big?
Yeah, look how big he is.
Fucking big. All right.
Oh, he got it. That's the one you're getting. Did you flip it?
Yep. I want now.
Oh, shoot, dude. Come on, Fred. Come on, Fred. Watch out, man. If the boat starts tipping, it'll tilt over.
Wait, hold on. Don't let it hit the reel. Don't let it hit the boat. Up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Damn off. You down?
Now reel back down.
Kidding me? What am I supposed to do?
Is your lever all the way up?
Get up.
Come on. You gotta go. You guys are wrapping around the pole. Push it out, push it out. Come on, Fred. Come on, Fred.
We're at the end.
I don't care. Reel back down.
Real. It's not turning. I can't do anything. You gotta do
You
it.
gotta go. You gotta drop it back. Drop it back.
Drop it, drop it, drop it.
You gotta drop it back, Fred. Now pull.
Sideways. I can't.
That's okay. That's how you do it. There, just like you do it. That's perfect. Fred, that's what a big one feels like.
Yep. You ready? Oh. Ready? Reel. Lift. Reel. Lift.
There he is. Look at that monster.
Lift. Lift.
Wow. That's good. No more. No more. Stop.
Holy cow. Don't let it get his head back down. He's barely hooked.
Look at that pig. Awesome.
Holy cow.
I say, man, he's the only one that has a lot of fish in.
I want to go ahead.
I'm just kidding.
Somebody needs to hold the, I don't know. It's probably 500.
Don't be talking.
No, I'm not. I got to get closer enough to him.
Tell me what you want me to do.
Drop your rod tip a little bit for me. Yeah, it's a 500 pounder easy. Drop it in.
Wow.
You guys realize that fish came up to the top and ate it right underneath our faces? You know how cool that is?
Don't want to put your foot down in there.
It's the most, whenever I wash my hands, I get worried. Way to go, fellas, way to go.
Oh, shit, look at this. We don't want him to have it?
No, we don't even get him up here. Come on.
Me?
Huh?
Me?
You nervous yet, babe?
Yeah, I'm nervous. That was crazy.
Did you ask if they'd come up?
Huh?
Did you ask if they'd come up and get it?
Yeah, I did ask if they come again. I was like, hey, come on, you got it. You got him.
Yeah, pull it. There he is. Oh, my word. You got it good? You got it. Come on. We got it. Hey, look at it. Look at you guys. Look at that monster, you guys. Come on, Benji.
I said, is he gonna come up and get it?
And you told him chew on this, didn't you? You know. Big nasty.
He swallowed it.
Look at him, look at him, run out. Look at that. Oh my word, look how big he is. Oh, he's humongous. Oh, you got. Oh my goodness, dude. I'm really scared of this, man. Do it again. Dude, scares the piss out of me, man.
Another time for it.
I yoke him up with that. With this, here's mercy. When he goes that way, pull back to your left a bit. Yeah, see how that made him move? That's what you want him to do. Yeah, hold, yeah, there you go. Wow. Use them as weapons in the Crusade days. No. Look at that monster. Look how big that bill is. Oh my. Wow, he's huge. Look back at that. Look how big. Great job, Leonard. I don't know about you guys, but I get really scared when that bill pops up. Man, it'll cut your arm off. I don't even really want to do this part. Oh boy.
Now what goes? I gotta tell her.
Oh shit. Oh, see, that's what I didn't want to happen. That's what I didn't want to happen right there. Gotta get the hook out of this guy.
Yeah.
Oh man, get up. Oh baby. Here we go, here we go. Yeah, that's scary. Wow. I'm just trying to get the hook out of it, you know? It's a protected species, you don't want the hook to stay in it. Pull it up real fast. Pull it to you real fast. Wow. That is wow.
Another time where I can get the pressure off.
Stop. So don't lift it any higher. I think we're better off just right here. Don't do that anymore. Don't do that anymore. Grab the top one. Yeah, that one. Oh, son of a gun. Hold on that in. That is awesome, Leonard, baby. Good work.